How do I fix the problem of being unable to send DMs on Twitter?
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be addressing a common issue many Twitter users encounter: being unable to send direct messages, DMs. Don't worry if you're facing this problem, we will walk you through a step-by-step solution.
Are your DM settings correct?
The first step is to check your privacy settings. Twitter has specific controls over who can send you direct messages. 1. Go to Settings and Privacy from your profile icon drop-down menu. 2. Choose Privacy and Safety, then under Direct Messages, ensure that the Receive Messages from Anyone option is enabled. If the settings were incorrect, correct them, and try to send a DM again.
Is the recipient able to receive DMs?
If you still can't send a DM, it might be an issue on the recipient's end. They may have their settings configured in a way that prevents them from receiving messages from everyone. 1. You can check their profile to see if they have mentioned any such restrictions. 2. Another way to confirm this is by trying to send a DM to a different contact. If it works with other contacts, then the issue is likely with the recipient's settings.
Have you been blocked?
In some cases, the person you're trying to send a DM to might have blocked you. When someone blocks you on Twitter, you're unable to send them direct messages. Look for signs of being blocked, like not being able to view their tweets or follow them.
Is your account suspended or limited?
Twitter may temporarily suspend or limit your account if it detects suspicious activity or violations of its rules. In such cases, you may find yourself unable to send DMs. 1. Check your email associated with your Twitter account for any messages from Twitter regarding account limitations or suspensions. 2. You may need to confirm your identity or change your password to lift these restrictions.
Technical issues.
Finally, it could be a simple glitch or technical problem. Here's what you can do. 1. Try restarting your device. 2. Ensure that your Twitter app is up to date, or try uninstalling and reinstalling it. 3. Try a different device or web browser to see if the problem persists. Troubleshooting Twitter DM issues can be a bit confusing, but hopefully, this step-by-step guide has helped clear things up. Remember, the problem could range from simple setting adjustments to account limitations, so it's crucial to check all possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting!